सौंपना ही करता।
Chairman cum Managing Director of MEECL, Sanjay Goyal, on Tuesday informed that though the water level at Umiam has risen by almost 6 to 7 feet, however, the present level is not sufficient to completely do away with load shedding. Briefing media persons on the possibility of some respite on load shedding given the increasing water level at Umiam, he said that the power department has not gone ahead with load shedding during the daytime in the past few days, given that there was enough rainfall. Goyal further said that if rainfall is sufficient in the days to come and the department is comfortable in terms of water level, the government will definitely reduce the load shedding hour.
So in nutshell, what I can say that if the rains situation improve in the days to come and we are comfortable in terms of water level, definitely we'll go for and we'll try to reduce the number of hours of the load shedding.
The World Blood